Ever tried packing sticky, infused flower into a standard pre-roll machine? It jams, it stalls, and it completely ruins your production workflow. Not anymore. Meet the RocketBox 3.0, built with 5 times the power to handle the heavy, homogenized material other machines can't. Take total control with the intuitive touchscreen interface, giving you precise command over every batch. Watch as particle lock technology creates a controlled, swirling vortex. No tamping required. The material naturally locks into place. The result? Exceptional density, 0 soft spots, and perfect consistency across every single joint. That flawless pack is driven by our industrial-grade, multi-directional vibration technology that maximizes efficiency. Scalable for any facility, it easily accepts 453 count or dual 72 count trays.